This is Mindy Carney from the Digital Learning Team, and this video is to show you how to utilize Gmail templates within Gmail. The reason I might use this is if I have an email that I often send out over and over again that I don't want to have to recompose each time. And so it's a way to save a template so that I can quickly send out that email as perhaps a response. I often use this when I begin new courses so that I have the introductory email already composed so I don't have to rethink it every time. So the way I generate a template, because they're all personal to you, you create your own templates. I'm going to go into the compose window and I'm going to leave the 2-part blank here for right now. And I might also fill in the subject. You'll want this subject to be what the template is actually called when you go back to use it again. So I might call this introduction to okay. And within here is the body of text that I would, share, like this course begins tomorrow. Okay. So the other thing I would say is that I want to delete out my signature because the email when it sends will already generate a new signature for you each time. So if you don't delete out your signature within the template, it will have your signature in there 2 times. So always remember to take out your signature at the bottom. All right, then I go down. Once I'm done completing my email that I want to save, I go down to these 3 little dots here. I click on templates. I hover over templates and then I click save draft as template and then down to save as new template. Here's my template name, save it. Now, when I want to send this email, I go back into Compose. I go to my 3 dots. I hover over templates, and then here it is, Introduction to Transformative Classrooms template. So I click on that, and you can see that it autofills in that email for me. My signature is already there because I'm in a new window, and I can just add in who the recipients will be and click send. Easy as that.